This is a new 2014 Ford F-150, powered by four-wheel drive, a 6.2-liter, 8-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The features include leather seats, Ford Sync voice activation, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, trailer hitch, premium rims, a tilt and telescopic steering wheel, cruise control, split rear seats, a trip computer. Safety was made a priority with these features: a backup camera, fog lights, curtain head airbags, side airbags, traction control, stability control. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
State College Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 3140 West College Avenue, State College, Pennsylvania 16801.